The highly sought-after West Central location is where you'll find this lovingly restored classic beauty. The covered front porch will welcome you into the perfect spot to sit and chat with neighbors on the porch swing, and once inside, you'll immediately notice the original stunning wood staircase and gorgeous wood floors. Glass French doors lead you into the living room off of the hallway that could also make a perfect den, or you can head straight on into the gorgeous updated kitchen with massive island with quartz countertop and includes seating area and plenty of cabinets and counter space with a beautiful tiled wall behind. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 new baths with tile walls and glass built-in shelves. This home has all new windows except for 2 original windows to keep that historic feel. Out back, you'll love the covered deck area as well as another patio area. Everything except foundation has been lovingly restored. Electrical, plumbing, roof, siding, flooring, and HVAC. Don't wait another minute. Call Joe Bruce for all the details.